Up to some cloud cover here in Independence along I-70, but drier conditions. However, as I'm watching radar this morning, a little bit of snow, some light flurries starting to develop between St. Joseph and Cameron early today, between Chillicothe and Carrollton as well. So that area of snow continuing to drift to the southeast. There is a chance we get some more southern development. You can see there might be some moisture trying to inch closer to Leavenworth, western Platte County, Missouri. So we'll follow it. Air temperatures as it moves to the southeast are hovering near the freezing mark. So initially some snowflakes possible, and then as we try to warm up through the morning or early to mid-afternoon, those any sort of lingering snow would certainly be in the form of raindrops. So this is a disturbance, the heart of the storm moving across Nebraska and Iowa. You can see pretty heavy snow traveling east along I-80, approaching Des Moines here in the next hour, starting to clear out of Omaha. It's a weak storm. It's a fast moving one, but it is producing a huge temperature change out there in the Central Plains. Ahead of the system, as I mentioned, we're still near freezing. We're in the 30s, not terrible for January 2nd, but boy, it's a little bit more bitter behind the system, kind of unleashing the cold here in our northern states, where temperatures are currently in just those upper teens and lower 20s. We will feel the impact of that change by tomorrow. You'll notice we're at 44 today, 30s Friday, and then only 20s on Saturday. Breaking down today's forecast, it would be important for you to maybe just take advantage of it a little bit more. If you need to work outside, maybe you're starting to take down some Christmas decorations. Today would be a great opportunity to do so before the cold and the snow. Temperatures are in those lower and middle 40s, and I do see some moments of sunshine kind of breaking through before the cold front slides through the region. Again, temperatures are plummeting pretty quickly after today, and this sets the stage up for that winter event that we're following this weekend. In fact, National Weather Service already issuing a winter storm watch for areas out west, but it does include a few of our counties up here in eastern Kansas for that potential of 3 to 7 inches of snow. But if we look at our chance here in Kansas City of receiving over 6 inches of snow, it's looking pretty likely, 80 to 90% chance that we could get over 6 inches right here along the I-70 corridor. Now, there's still a lot of uncertainty here because we have some ice in the forecast that's going to cut down our snow amounts. So sleet, freezing rain would certainly be problematic, not only for roads and our road crews and clearing, but definitely will make things a little bit more challenging in our forecast. The last time we received over 6 inches of snow was about 1,000 days ago in February of 2022. So lots to follow after that snow clears Sunday night. It gets quite cold next week.